Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create your own custom view for app shortcut with app intents in Flutter iOS app when you trigger an app shortcut. So let me tell you what exactly I mean. Here I have one app. Basically whenever you type something inside this particular input and insert that particular data, it saves that data to Swift data. The reason, if you don't know what Swift data is, it is basically like SQLite. The reason why I'm using Swift data is because most of the logic will reside on the native iOS side. That's why I've used Swift data, but you can do whatever you want with app shortcut. Doesn't really need to be, doesn't have to be related with SQLite or Swift data. Okay, so here you can see I have added some task inside Swift data. Now it is displaying that task inside this particular list as well. If I want, I can go to the shortcuts app and it will display the shortcut which I have added to this app. So here you can see it is displaying this shortcut. If you are not able to see the shortcut, click on the plus button, then select your app. It will show you your shortcut. So it has already displayed my shortcut. I'll click on this and here I can enter anything. I'll just enter buy and I'll click on done, and here you can see this custom view is created by me. So this is not the view from the default view when you create a task. So yeah, that's what this tutorial is all about. I have already made videos on how to get started with app shortcut, so I won't go in detail about app shortcut, but I will explain you more about this, how to create this particular view. So I'll click on done. Same thing you can do with Siri as well. Now my app name is little weird. I'll see whether Siri works or not. Given that I'm a simulator, it will not work most probably, but if you try it on a real device, it will work. Here you can see this is the phrase which I need to tell Siri. Let's see whether it works or not. I don't want to waste too much time. Click on device, Siri. Log data to Flutter app shortcut view update. So here you can see that it is completely it is not understanding what I'm trying to say, because the app name is little weird, but you can have a proper app name. Also the simulator is little bit finicky. Sometimes Siri works inside it, sometimes it doesn't. Anyways, hopefully you got the point. So here as you can see, I have just created a Flutter project and these are all the imports which I have. Here is our homepage widget, here is our stateful widget which I have created, here is our method channel of Swift data platform, here is our data as well, here is the text editing controller, and here we have event channel as well. Here is our stream subscription, and here is array list of string data. So whenever you add something, Swift data will send that data, like native iOS will send that data back to Flutter side with the help of this particular stream subscription. So if you see inside init, firstly I'm calling get all as soon as our app is initialized, if there is any data inside our Swift data, but then we are creating the stream subscription, we are listening for that data. Okay, once we have that data, then only I decode it and I append it to our list. Now while sending data from native iOS side, I'm sending it in form of string. That's why we have to decode it and then add it and convert it to list string form. Here you can see this is the get all, to get all data from our Swift data. This is my method name. This is the dispose method which I have created. Here is our safe area column. This is our text field as well. This is our text button, and on click of it we just insert data. This is the title which I am passing, so native iOS will have to take this particular data. This is for invoking the read data method. This is for deleting the data. Okay, and this is for updating the data. And here is a list of list view dot builder which will help us to display all the data which is present inside our Swift data. Next you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. Go to your project, and here firstly you will have to update the minimum deployment to at least 17. The reason is because I am using Swift data, it is only available from iOS 17 and above, but if you are not using Swift data, if you are only interested in app shortcut, you will have to keep it minimum to iOS 16, because I am using the app intent way. Next here firstly I have created this particular model. So our table inside Swift data will take a task name which we are sending it from Flutter side. ID is automatically created for us. Then here is our database service. So here you can see that I have firstly created a singleton. Here we are initializing our database, like the Swift data database, in case if it is not already created for us. So yeah, this is for saving the task inside our Swift data. This is for fetching the task, this is for updating, and this is for deleting the task. Sorry, I'm not going into the details. Then once that is done, you will have to come over to your app delegate. Firstly, we create our database service. Here is array of strings, and here we have array of to do model as well. Here is our event sync, event channel. Make sure you extend Flutter stream handler as well. Here is our service, here is our controller, and here is our Flutter method channel as well, and here is our event channel. And if insert data is called, we just get the title, and we just call save task and fetch the data. If read data is called, we just fetch that data. If delete data is called, then we just delete the task and fetch the data again. And for update, again we take the title, then get the updated title as well, and here we just update the task and fetch the data. Here this is the code for fetching all the data. Again, I'm not going into details because that's not the video about this. And here we are overriding these two methods from Flutter stream handler and setting and unsetting event sync. Then you will have to create this add task shortcut intent. So here you can see I'm taking an input which you saw when I clicked on the shortcut, and once the user enters something, I just call save task. Now here comes the important part. Here you will also have to add this to your return type called show snippets view. And here you can see once we display the added data to my app dialog, here is a Swift UI view which I am showing, which actually displays the custom view which we have created. Now if I show you this task logged view, here you can see I have created a basic V stack with an image, a text, and a text. Now you can change this view to whatever you feel like. So yeah, it's up to you. I won't go into the details. Change this to however you feel like. Okay, next is for the Siri shortcut. Same thing here, we just initialize this add task shortcut intent which we have created. Add the phrases to it, short title as well as system image name. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully I have shown you. Yeah, I have shown you this. This was the other file, then this database service class, add task Siri shortcut, and this is the task log. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.